say this car should pass soon.
They say I should glow. Am I glowing?
You are to me.
I remember I called a gift.
Sounded like an accurate description.
I think I'm going to talk to my boss and ask for my job back.
Really? I always got the impression you didn't particularly like that job.
It's a job. No one's going to hire me knowing I have to go on maternity leave. Plus, barely big savings. I'm pregnant. No health insurance.
My insurance would cover you. If we got married, we'd have a joint house. You wouldn't have to